and growth. Throughout this invitation, we will provide you with all the information and support to help navigate your academic activities successfully. And there are a lot of things that we need to talk and relate to you, especially in terms of education. That especially the policy of the college, not only that, as well as the first year and transfer students. I know that Uraga, you're new in this school, and para bang with sometimes you're confused of your schedule. I hope that siguro you are all familiarized your room and also your classmates.